Hi guys, I am Maria and I'm here today to present to you a good product. A good product for the hair. As you can see, my hair is very nice looking. It has a good texture and then it's very dark. So I want to show you my secret. This is the product I'm using for 3 weeks now. This product is really good. This is it. This is how the inside look. This is the name of the company, Lorette Organic. So this product is made up with coconut oil, shea butter, coconut oil, black seed, mustard seed. It's good for your hair texture and then it's also good for the dandruff. I can testify because I was once a victim of dandruff. It was really worrying me till I found this product here. So you can use it for your natural or your permed hair. It is very good and it will make your hair grow plenty. To your hair will not break. So how you apply it? After braiding, or maybe after doing whatever you want to do, after washing, you just open inside like this. You open inside like this in the middle and you apply a small portion of the product in between the lines. If you made cornrow or maybe you braid, you can do the same. You just apply the product inside in between the line and you hold it at night. Everywhere you can have this product. You can visit us on Facebook, Lorette Organic. This is the name, Lorette Organic. So I want you to try this product. You know, as a woman, your beauty lies in your hair. So as you can see now, my hair is very much nice. It's very okay than before. No too much dandruff again, and it has made my hair really good and plenty. No more breaking. Is very okay. I can do anything I want to do. I can break cornrow. I can do anything I want to do. It won't break. Only to apply the cream inside. So this is my hair. This is the product. Thank you. You can also follow me to my YouTube channel, Maria the Boss Lady. We also have a lot of stuff there. Thank you. Bye. Make sure you purchase this product and come and satisfy. Bye.